Yo, yo, yo. Happy birthday, Mom. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. It's birthday. Party. It's birthday. Yeah. Happy birthday, Mom. Mom. Happy birthday, Mom. Mom. Happy birthday, Mom. Mom. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. All right, so if you couldn't tell, it's my mom's birthday, and I'm gonna make her something I'm gonna show you at the same time. Welcome to Mama Reubo's kitchen. Okay, two things. One, I just realized that both my rents like Asian inspired foods. And then two, my mom, you have it good. Like May last month was Mother's Day, and then June this month is your birthday. Like, what? I want a national holiday that celebrates me before my birthday. Hashtag birthday goals. Anyways, my mom loves Thai food. And once upon a time, I actually made her a Thai dinner for her birthday. So I'm gonna share for you one of the recipes that I made, which was chicken Massaman curry. Let's commence. Cut about 1 1/4 pound of chicken breast into cubed pieces and then set aside. And then we're gonna peel and dice about 3 cups of potatoes and set those aside. Now we're gonna heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large pot or saucepan over medium heat. Stir in 3 tablespoons of curry paste. I'm using a red curry paste. And then 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. And then we're gonna saute that for about 2 minutes. Then add in the chicken and saute until the pieces are cooked on the outside, so they should be all white. It's about 3 or 4 minutes. Add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 3 tablespoons of tamarind paste. Now, if you cannot find tamarind paste, there is a close substitute by mixing 1 tablespoon of brown sugar with 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Since we need 3 tablespoons in total, it's gonna be 3 tablespoons of brown sugar and then 3 tablespoons of the lime juice. And then to that, we're gonna add 1/3 of a cup of peanut butter. We're gonna add the potatoes. And a 13.5 ounce can of coconut milk. Now we're gonna bring this to a boil. Then we're gonna reduce the heat to medium-low, and we're gonna cover and let this simmer until the potatoes are tender and the chicken pieces are fully cooked. About 20 to 25 minutes. Then we're gonna remove the lid, add about 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and then cook for an additional 5 minutes before serving. Then you just serve this over your favorite rice and enjoy this deliciousness on a plate. Again, happy birthday to my wonderful, wonderful mom. Love you bunches, Mom. And I hope that you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below any Thai food that you've had and or love, or that you want to try. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.